It's unlikely that the United States will create a formal religious police force to monitor abortions, as that concept does not align with the constitutional framework of the country, which separates church and state. The First Amendment of the United States Constitution guarantees freedom of religion and prohibits the government from establishing a national religion or favoring one over others. However, debates surrounding abortion, especially following the 2022 Supreme Court ruling in Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization that overturned Roe v. Wade, have sparked significant state-level efforts to regulate and enforce abortion laws more strictly. Some states have enacted more restrictive abortion laws, while others have sought to protect access to abortion services. In some states, there are growing concerns about the enforcement of these laws, including proposals to monitor or investigate abortion providers or those seeking abortions. For instance, some states have suggested creating mechanisms to track individuals seeking abortion services, but these are not typically framed as religious police forces. They are more often described in legal and law enforcement terms, such as investigations by local or state authorities. The issue of abortion in the United States remains highly polarized, with a range of approaches to enforcement depending on the political and legal landscape of each state. While some conservative states may move toward more stringent surveillance or monitoring mechanisms, these efforts would likely be pursued through law enforcement agencies rather than the establishment of a separate religious police force. Moreover, any attempt to introduce religious-based enforcement of abortion laws would likely face significant legal challenges, as it would raise serious questions about constitutional rights, including freedom of religion and privacy. The broader legal and public opposition to such measures would make it an unlikely and controversial course of action. In summary, while abortion laws are being actively debated and enforced in various ways across the United States, the idea of a religious police force specifically for monitoring abortions seems highly improbable and inconsistent with the country's legal principles.